Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tell me, how do you create an Ansible playbook to install Apache server?
We can do by creating a file called apache.ml, and in that we can give define a name with install apache host all become true, and name add apache, and then we can add a repository with the given command name httpd and state present, and one more install apache and so last command is a start apache service. In that we can define name http state enable s with that we can able to install apache server in all the hosts.
Okay, that sounds good. Are you ready for the next question?
Mhm.
So, what is the Docker command to create a container and destroy a container?
uh, we can do with the following command docker run minus it and give the image name, and it will create a docker, and with the docker stop we can stop the container, and the docker rm to remove a docker container.
Okay, let's move on to another question. Explain polymorphism in Java.
uh, Polymorphism in java is the ability of an object to take multiple forms. It is a fundamental concept in object oriented program that allows objects to behave differently depending on their current context and situation. Polymorphism can be achieved through method overriding, which occurs when a subclass provides its own implementation of a method that is already defined its superclass. Uh, and also, in summary, polymorphism in Java allows objects to adapt their behavior to different situations by providing different implementation of methods, or by allowing operators to apply to objects in a flexible manner.
Okay, let's move on to another topic. So, tell me an SQL query for clause and group by.
Uh, for example, you can do select department average salary from employees where job title equal to manager, and you can group by department. Uh, this will give the average salary for an employee with the job title manager grouped by their department. Hmm.
Okay, let's move on to another question or another topic. Explain asynchronous and await in JavaScript.
Sure. Asynchronous programming allows code to run simultaneously with other code rather than waiting for one piece of code to finish before moving on to next. This is useful when working with resources that take a long time to complete, such as a network request or disk I/O. Await is a keyword that allows you to pause the execution of code until a promise, a special type of object, is resolved or rejected. When you use await, the code following the await will not be executed until the promise is resolved or rejected. Uh, and in this example, we can have an example. Let's get name equal to async and return navigator dot user agent. So, and also await get name pauses here until the promise is resolved, and we can get that get name by printing console.log.
That sounds good. Thank